Let's start in an underhand opposite butterfly, and then split time, and then same time, and then split time, and then same time again. And now do 1, 2, 3 small, and then 1 big, and 3, 2, 1, and big again, and 3, 2, 1, and big again, and 3, 2, 1, big again. Now let's go into split time butterfly. 3, 2, 1, and big and split time. 1, and 3, 2, 1, and big and split time. And 3, 2, 1, and big and split time. And 3, 2, 1, big and split time. And now right hand out and in. Let's go back to same time, sorry. And right hand out and in. From same time might be easier, but if you prefer split time, that works too. And then out and in, we just keep going out and in, out and in, out and in. And let's do it at the chest height. So the palm is anterior as opposed to posterior. And then let's do the other side. So your left out. And if you're feeling it, you can try and do like a tap and in, and a tap and in, and a tap and in, and a tap and in. If you're not feeling it, don't do it. I think that works really well when we do the alternates. So let's try doing alternates. We'll do right out and in, and left out and in, and right out and in, and left out and in, and right out and in, and left out and in, right out and in, left out and in. Let's go up now. And right up and down, and left up and down, right up and down, left up and down, right up and down, left up and down, right up and down, left up and down, back to the butterfly. And then we'll do 3, 2, 1, and big, and 3, 2, 1, and big, 3, 2, 1, and big, and 3, 2, 1, and big, and 3, 2, 1, and big, and 3, 2, 1, and big. Back to the butterfly. Now come into your hip rail, so the underhand opposite hip rail, and relax into it. And now come back to your butterfly. Take out to the right, turn to the right, step your left foot forward, turn again, come into overhand butterfly away from me so you won't be able to see me. Take out right again, turn to the right, step your left foot forward, and bring your left hand back into underhand butterfly. We'll do that a little faster. Right takeout, turn right, overhand butterfly on the back wall, and then right takeout, turn right, underhand butterfly on the front wall. Now left, turn left out, step and turn, come into overhand butterfly on the back, left out, step and turn, come into underhand butterfly on the front. Back to the hip reel, back to the butterfly. Let's go up to the underhand opposite pinwheel. And then let's try doing alternate extensions. So the right extends, the left extends, right extends, left extends, right extends, left extends, right extends, left extends, back to the butterfly, back to the hip reel. We'll go back up to the pinwheel and we'll do that again. So we'll be in the pinwheel for small, 4 and 3 and 2 and 1. Alternate extensions. Right extend, left extend, right extend, left extend, right extend, left extend, right extend, left extend, back to the butterfly and back to the hip reel. Watch as I'm doing the pinwheel. First of all, I'm making a bigger arc. Normally in a same direction pinwheel, it's really, really tight over the crown of your head. In the opposite direction one, I do let my hands come down a little lower and more open to the side so that I can make a bigger circle. So there's space. And then here's the thing that's funky about this. When you're doing this extension, because it's asymmetrical, the one hand has to do a bigger hand path. So it has to accelerate. So let's try this where we're just drilling the one hand accelerating. Try your left hand. Yes, 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 beautiful. And now let's try the right hand. So yes, 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 good. Right hand accelerating, right hand accelerating, right hand accelerating, right hand accelerating. Yes. Let's take a moment and do its companion, or its opposite, starting from an overhand butterfly. Let's go up with your right and down, and up with your left and down, up with your right and down, up with your left and down. And I'm adding this little toe tap too, if that inspires you. Or another really easy dance movement that you can do is walking forward, as you're going up or walking backwards. So you could do like 4 forward and 4 backward. So this is a way that you can add more movement into the performance itself. And now let's bring it up and try and go into the overhand opposite pinwheel. And relax into it. Try and keep it nice and slow. And then let's try the extensions. So let's do your left hand going big, just the left, accelerating with the left while the right hand is staying slower and smaller. Zhunk, 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 zhunk. Oh, you're just going for it. And then let's do your right hand also. Zhunk. So just trying to drill that one part where the right hand is going big, but the left is doing the same thing, which is easier said than done.